So hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install app in FireStick. So guys, if you want to install any app in FireStick, so you just go to the App Store of your FireStick. So guys, you can see here there are app tray icon. So you can go here. Here is your app and game. So guys, you can see I am installing lot of apps like Poco TV, BTV and SO player and many more. So guys, if you want to install such type of app, so it is very simple. You just see there is a one app which is App Store. So guys, you can click here. Okay, then you can see there is lot of apps according to their features and category. So guys, here you can select the all category options. So you can select book, business, comic, communications, games, whatever you want. So you can click here. So guys, for example, I am trying to installing the game. Which is hill climb. So guys, you can see. So guys, you can see there is a lot of games. So guys, I am trying to install hill climb. So guys, you can see, you can click on the hill climb. Okay, then you can see here get free download. Okay, so you can click here. So it is get processing. Okay, so you can wait for the few seconds. It will be automatically installed in your app. It is same as your Play Store. The same process and the same step which you are follow when you installing the app using the Play Store, both are the same, but just the difference of the Play Store where you can use in Android, and here you can use App Store. Okay, so you can wait for it installing, and you can see there is lot of other games also. Okay, so here there is a boxing game, I think. Okay, so you can install this. So hill climb is installing, and you can see you don't wait here. Here is showing hill climb racing ready to play. So guys, you can press the button, this one, then if it is not directly open here, so you can go back to the home screen, then apps and library, and here you can see your game is installed. So you can go here, you can open your game and you can enjoy your game. Okay, so you can see the game is loading. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.